The best way to get better at programming is to practice. In this example, we're going to create a very simple function that's just going to print out your name and maybe what year of school you're in, or maybe the current year if you don't have a year of school. As always, this file is available for download. We'll pause for just a couple of seconds so you can go download it, and then we'll continue on. All right, so let's get started. So I need to create a function, and if I don't have a prototype, and we'll look at prototypes in just a minute, I'm going to do this by creating the function before it's called inside the main. So this is going to be a void function, so my return type is going to be void. My function name is going to be print name, and then I have to have a parameter list. Now this parameter list is empty, so it's just open and close parentheses. Then I need my function body, and that's all I need. Very, very simple. Now, to actually do something, I have to put something inside that function body. So inside my braces, I'm going to simply say cout. I'm going to give it a name, John Smith. I could add maybe something like a tab character to separate out the name from what year you're in. And then we can either give it a number for the current year, or you could say something like, first year, second year, freshman, junior, senior, whatever you want. I'm going to go ahead and give it a value as an integer, just so you can see that we can mix our values like we did before. So we have here a string, a character, and a number. Now, if I did this, nothing would happen. That's because we haven't called our function yet. So inside of main, before return, we're going to simply say print name. We'll put the open and close parentheses. This way C++ knows that, hey, we're calling a function, and then I'm going to run this. And when I do it, main is going to get called. It sees, oh, go call print name. Then we go print out, there's John Smith, the tab, and then the current year. So this will always let you know when this example was created. Very simple to do, creating and calling a function. In an upcoming video, we'll look at function prototypes and what that is and what that means for us. Until then, if this video helps you out, please consider giving it a like, and then look at the other videos in this series to learn how to get better at programming in C and C++.